Right, it's recording.
Down there, look.
Where?
On that cabinet. Two on it.
It's dark though. Right.
That's 1 o'clock. Should turn it off in 10 minutes, yeah. You having that, yeah?
Yeah, man. I can't.
10 minutes. Turn it off in a minute, Jessica.
You turn that off, yeah.
Yeah. Put it back on.
Just leave it off if you want.
Kevin, have that then, and we'll turn it off.
Fucking hell.
About 1 o'clock. We've got it.
to sleep. Stop being silly now. Go to sleep. Turn it off. Just turn it off. Turn it off. Don't want big lights on. Go to sleep. There's nothing there. No, nothing there. Just close your eyes, being silly. Your eyes are open, there's nothing there. Absolutely nothing. No orbs or anything. I want to go to sleep.
You can't get to sleep.
Yeah, just close your eyes. There's nothing in there. My eyes are
No, I
open.
can't have it. I can't take it anymore.
Nothing in there.
Please, I can't take it anymore.
No, put the toilet light on. I'm not sleeping with this
You
one on.
do it then. I'll do it.
Stupid. You have to put that on then. Put that on.
It's good to go.
Bloody in here.
Bloody is the creaking the chair.
Yeah, there's other people in the hotel, not just us, you know.
It's creaking the chair.
No, it's not the chair at all. don't want the light on. The toilet light's on, it's light enough because I won't be able to get to sleep. Go to sleep.
Can I just turn the light on?
No,
Well, what am I going to do?
just
What am I
close
gonna
your eyes and go to sleep.
do?
The
No.
light is on in the toilet. Don't want any more lights on. It's light enough.
It's not even light.
It is. It's light enough. Go to sleep.
Well, for you it's not.
Even got the curtains open to see the light. Go to sleep now, will you? Because you're just waking me up.
I'll just stop the light on to get to sleep. Just tell them I'm getting to sleep. If it's dark, I don't know what's going on. Oh,
No, I don't want the light on. I can't
Can you be
sleep with the
quiet?
light on.
I don't want the light on.
No,
What am I going to do then?
just close your eyes and go to sleep. Everybody's awake.
Who? Oh,
Just shut up, Jessica, so I can go
I
to
can't
sleep.
get to sleep.
You're tough. Just close your eyes and go to sleep.
If you turn the light on, okay?
No, I don't want the light on.
I want that.
Yeah, well, I don't because I can't sleep with it on.
But you're not scared, are you? How many kids
There's nothing to be scared of. It's all set up, like my dad said. Dad's heard of that one. He said it's set up.
It's just a lie.
No, it isn't.
People
I'm
have
lying.
seen shit
How do you know?
because they've written it down in the book.
Yes, so.
A kid
Well,
written
there's a-
something as well.
Yeah.
Can't write all the same thing in different years, can they?
Yeah. People just coughing. I want to go to sleep. Can you just let me go to sleep? Yeah.
Oh, it's good. Where's the light on?
No.
I don't have you in it.
No. Because then I've got to lie here waiting for you to sleep to turn it off.
What's
No.
the problem with leaving the light
No,
on?
because I can't sleep with the light on.
I can't breathe here because I'm too scared to look.
and turn that toilet light off now. Go on. Go and turn it
No,
off.
not me, not me.
Go and turn it off.
You know I'm scared of ghosts.
Yeah, just go and turn it off. There's nothing in there, now turn it off. Go on. Because I want to go to sleep. It's not fair, this lot. I was dozing off earlier and I'm just kept awake.
Leave
Go
it
and
to
turn it off.
Steve's toilet light on
No,
in case
go
we
and
get
turn
to
it
night. I don't know
No.
where we're going.
Go and turn the lights off in the toilet.
No, I'm not doing that.
No, you won't, will you?
Just leave it on.
I'll do it all the fucking time. Shit, does anything. The sun's slowing now. Go to sleep because I'm turning this light off in a minute. I want to sleep as well. I have a fucking machine. I have to sleep.
Why
Sleep
can't
with
you just
fucking
leave
lights
it
on.
on?
No, I can't sleep with the lights on. Turn it off in a minute. I want to go to sleep. Sleep. I want sleep. Fair, just because you can't sleep, I want myself. I want to sleep myself. Just go to sleep now. Messing about with phones. Right for you to go to sleep, turn the lights off. I didn't know what was in.
Bloody. Why do you say shit about this? What lie?
Go to sleep.